I just looked at the weather, and it looks like it'll be in the 60s and sunny. Well, partly cloudy, sunny, so I assume all this will melt. It's a winter wonderland today. SUV camping. Let's see what the mountain looks like down here. It'll end up being a nice day. We'll do a hike around the lake. Well, guys, the snow melted in a matter of a couple hours. Wasn't much there. 56. Some coffee, and I think we're gonna go for a hike. Or just around the campground. There's a trail that goes around this lake, so. It's a chilly for being 56. Well, good morning. There were some hot coals in there still. Oh, it feels good. It's my feet are cold and my hands are cold. It's, what did it say, 57 degrees? No, it says 48 degrees outdoors, 64 inside. And pretty much we're just gonna stick around here. Sure, our campsite's up there on the right where that boat's at. Probably that white thing that you see sticking out right there. There's the boat launch. Man's way over there. Nice and clear. Snow-capped mountains, freezing water. It's warming up now since you start walking. Looks like the showers are right there. We're back at camp after a walk halfway around campground, but I'm thinking about heading towards that trail. I'm gonna go start the car and start charging up some of my battery since we're not gonna have no plug-ins for the rest of the time I'm traveling out west. Alright, so we're 80% now. A minute there I thought I was waking up in New York. Anybody want to know that's where I'm from? Upstate New York, Western New York, whatever you want to call it. But I've been in Florida for over 20-something years now. Alright guys, so I'm TrevDev, this is Dookie, and we're traveling across the country in this little micro van right here to show you guys exactly what it's like to live, camp, or weekend camp, or day camp, or stealth camp in a small micro van with a dog. That we're gonna go walk around this way. I was shocked to see that we had snow. It's a nice sunny day, it's still chilly. Got my gloves, got my winter hat, got some hiking shoes, and got my dookie with the sweater on, so we're gonna go hike this trail a little bit further than we did last night. Let's build a community of adventurous people that can meet up, hang out, and enjoy a campfire. American Freedom Tour 2023. Fired up. Great van or 4x4 to do some things I've never done before. But I definitely like this place, Diamond Lake, so I definitely will come back. You got Crater Lake a little bit south. Right on the water here with a marina. Okay. Alright, so we're in this resort. I'm trying to find the trail. Diamond Lake Resort. Get bike rentals, canoe rentals, boat rentals, paddle boat rentals, pontoon boat rentals. Diamond Resort. We're gonna hit the trail up here that keeps on going. This looks like the trail right here. Yeah, John Dillon Trail. 3 miles. Let's see what's in the view. So that's Timber Crater, Mount Thielsen, Timber Crater, Mount Mazama, Gay Wasp Peak is the one below it. Hemlock Poot is right there, and then Mount Bailey is right there. Cool. Thanks for the info there, trail people. Look how blue that water is. It's so beautiful and clear. Oh, look at that baby. Get this view. This goes around the whole lake. I think it's like 9 miles, I think they said, all the way around. Look at the size of that tree. That's what we're gonna see tomorrow. These big, huge sequoias, 20 feet round. Look like the size of that son of a gunner. 30 feet round. Bailey's Mountain. So if anybody out there wants to reach out and DM and help me decide, or you have a product that you want me to try out, I'd love to try it out for you and see if something I like when it comes to a van, a truck with a truck bed, a tent on a truck or a Jeep, pull behind, give reviews on items. He loves Oregon. I mean, since we've been in Oregon, he's been completely going crazy on things. So we're straight. See where that boat's ahead? My van's probably right there. We probably can see it. But one more night at Diamond Lake Campground. Oh my God. Scared of... That's a good shot right there. Give me. Good boy. Good boy. This is amazing. I'm like in heaven right now. We're just gonna chill here in the sun. So that's the mountain behind us, because straight ahead is my van. Oh, you're fishing, man. Resort's right here, so. Alright, we're back at this trailhead. John Dellenbeck Trail. Get this camper van. Alright guys, well, we're gonna leave here. I think my van's right there. Good. Wrenched my beard. I sure wrenched it. I guess the best way to cut it. Light it on fire. Now you see the bugs out here. It's insane. $5 miles and didn't realize it. So our way to the resort didn't happen because Dukkie was tired. I'll go. I'm gonna make some spicy noodles, ramen noodles. Last time I had them, they were pretty good, so boil up some water. Trimmed up the beard a little bit on my new little shaver I got. Well, it's getting not too late. It's 8 o'clock, and this won't go down in probably another hour. But meanwhile, I'm gonna chill, ready for bed. Dukkie's already in bed. Nice sunset though. How I watch TV is right on my phone. 45 outside, 53 in here.